Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can get free money or earn money on your Etoro. Etoro is an application that helps you to invest in different kind of stocks, coins or EFTs. To do so, here I have already logged in into my Etoro account, and if you logged in into your Etoro account, you'll be on this kind of screen. From here, if you go into Discover, you can see all the options of stocks and cryptos that you are able to trade and invest on. You can earn money through investing in different kind of stocks, buying them at the right time and selling them with a profit. The simple process to earn money on Etoro is by being mindful of where you invest, how you invest, and when you retract your investment. This is a simple way or a guide many people use to earn money from Etoro. There is no real way to get free money because in Etoro you need to invest into your actual money first to earn money. So make sure you be mindful of where you invest and how much you invest, and also be knowledgeable about all the investments that you're doing. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.